And those who have hit, may you not get anything more because you're being greedy. Woo! Time for some shiny shit. I'm not reading off every single base, unless it's numbered. 22 out of 99. Damn, that thing is shiny. For the Bills, CJ Spiller. For the Lions again. Goddamn. 272 out of 290. Bill Bentley, rookie autograph. And nothing was numbered on the base. Yeah, nothing. Just extra shiny. Alright, we'll flip it at the same time so we see it together. Oh, well, have yourself a break, me. Mr. No Show Mojo, AJ Jenkins. This is totally rigged. Numbered 29 out of 199. And the rest is base. Thank you. Is that redemption? No. We'll find out together. Booyah. Nice patch. Matt Forte. 2-color patch. Gold. Is that 5? Where's the number? Oh, 9 out of 49. For the Bears. And no numbered base card for some reason. Can't get one? Shit. Alright, what is this? Looks like a jersey. Oh, nope, it's an auto. Cody Sensenball? Yeah, Sensenball. Number 233 out of 290 for the Titans. Congrats, Titans. Once again, no numbered card. So this is probably some jersey. Find out together. Booyah. Well, ain't that a kick in the nuts? For the Bears, Devin Hester. 1-color jersey. 58 out of 299. Congrats to the Bears. Oh shit. We got color. 28 out of 199. Mr. Pay the Man, Victor Cruz. And the rest is base. One more box to go. See you guys in a second.